Hello my dear student, lecture number 14 for SSC board, chapter number 7, mensuration. In this lecture I am going to explain you some example from problem set 7, question number 8. The radius of metallic sphere is 9 cm. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 mm. Find the length of wire. Okay, so in this case diameter is given in 4 millimeter and all other dimensions are in centimeter, therefore it is better you convert this into centimeter. Okay, solution. Radius of sphere R is equal to 9 centimeter. Wire cylindrical it is. Diameter is equal to 4 mm and therefore radius R1 is equal to 2 mm and is equal to 0.2 centimeter. Let length of wire be H1. Since wire is made by melting sphere, so volume of wire is equal to volume of sphere. And therefore pi r1 square into h1 is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 0.2 pi get cancelled, 0.2 into 0.2 into h1 is equal to 4 upon 3, 9 into 9 into 9, and therefore h1 is equal to 4 into 3 into 9 into 9 upon 0.2 into 0.2. So is equal to 4 into 3 into 9 into 9 into 10 into 10 upon 2 into 2. If you simplify this, you will get h1 is equal to 24,300 centimeter is equal to 243 meters. Okay, and hence length of wire is equal to 24,300 centimeter or 243 meters. Okay, question number 9. The area of sector of circle of 6 cm radius is 15 pi square centimeter. Find the measure of the arc and length of the arc corresponding to the sector. Solution. Radius r is equal to 6 cm. Area of sector is equal to 15 pi cm square. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and therefore theta upon 360 into pi into 6 is equal to 15 pi. Pi get cancelled and therefore theta is equal to 15 into 360 upon 6 into 6. If you simplify this, you will get 150. And hence measure of the arc is equal to 150 degree. Length of the arc is equal to 2a upon r is equal to 2 into pi into 15 upon 6 into 3. So is equal to length of an arc is equal to 5 pi cm. Okay. Question number 10. Sec AB is chord of circle with center P. If PA is equal to 8 and distance of chord AB from the center P is 4 cm, find the area of the shaded portion. Root 3 is equal to 1.73, pi is equal to 3.14. Now try to understand solution. This is a slightly complicated question. PC is distant of chord AB from center P, and therefore PC is perpendicular to AB. And now in triangle PCA, side opposite to angle A is equal to half of the hypotenuse PA, and therefore angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle PCA is, and therefore triangle PCA is 30, 60, 90, and therefore AC is equal to side opposite to 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 hypo PA is equal to root 3 into 4. Okay, so this 2 PA is equal to 8 given, to it is divisible, so this is root 3 into 4, and root 3 is equal to 1.73, and therefore AC is equal to 1.73 into 4, that is equal to 6.92 centimeter. Now AB is equal to 2AC. You know this is what AB chord, and AC is equal to 6.92. So this perpendicular bisect the what chord, and therefore this and this is same, and therefore AB is equal to twice AC, and therefore AB is equal to 13.84 cm. Now, and therefore area of triangle PAB is equal to 1 upon 2 AB base into height, AB into PC is equal to 1 upon 2 into 13.84 into 4 gives you area is equal to 27.68 cm square. Okay. Now in triangle PAB, side PA is equal to side PB, radii of same circle, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 30 degree, angles opposite to congruent side, and therefore angle APB, that is theta central angle, is equal to 120, and therefore area of sector PAXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 120 upon 360 into 3.14 into 8 into 8. If you simplify this, you will get 66.9866 and is approximately 66.99 cm square. And therefore area of shaded portion is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, and is equal to 66.99 minus 27.68 gives you 39.31 cm square, and hence area of shaded portion is equal to 39.31 cm square. Okay, so in this example it is slightly complicated, so go through this example again so that you understand and calculate properly. Calculation is very important. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.